Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with Evernote, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Evernote and create a new notebook dedicated to your sales strategies. Label the notebook clearly for easy reference, like Sales Strategies 2023. Begin by researching your target audience and their needs. Create a note for your audience personas, detailing demographics, pain points, and preferences. Identify your unique selling propositions, or USPs. Craft a note that outlines these USPs and how they address your audience's pain points. Gather information on your competitors and their sales strategies. Create a comparative analysis note that highlights their strengths and weaknesses. Set clear sales goals for your team. Document these goals in a dedicated note, ensuring they are measurable and time-bound. Outline the tactics you will use to achieve these goals. Create separate notes for each tactic, like social media outreach, email campaigns, or direct sales calls. Develop a content calendar within Evernote to organize your marketing efforts. Use a note to outline your content themes, posting schedules, and necessary resources. Incorporate key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track the effectiveness of your strategies. Create a note to list these KPIs and how you will measure them. Regularly review and adjust your strategies based on data and feedback. Set reminders in Evernote to periodically check your progress and update your notes as needed. Collaborate with your sales team by sharing relevant notes and updates. Encourage team feedback and input in specific notes to enhance your strategies. Finally, ensure all notes are tagged appropriately for easy navigation. Use meaningful tags like sales goals, competitor analysis, and tactics to streamline your workflow. By following these steps in Evernote, you can effectively configure and manage your sales strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.